Number 1. Kamakhya Temple. A visit to Guwahati is incomplete without exploring the Kamakhya Temple, located atop the Nilachal hill dedicated to Devi Kamakhya, which is another name for goddess Durga. The temple is among the oldest of the 51 Shakti Peethas in India. It is also counted among the most important Hindu pilgrimage spots in the country and has many interesting legends associated with it. Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden. Popular as the largest zoo in northeast India, Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden is situated in the Hengrabari Reserve Forest. Home to the number of animals, birds and reptiles, this place is a popular tourist attraction if you are a wildlife enthusiast. Also called Green Lung for Guwahati, Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden is a nice place to indulge in awareness activities and encourage animal welfare and education. Number 3. Umananda Temple. Located on the beautiful Peacock Island, which is the smallest inhabited island, the Umananda Temple is a sight to behold. Surrounded by the mighty river Brahmaputra, this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It sees crowds of devotees throughout the year, especially during the festival of Mahashivratri. Number 4. Assam State Museum. Famous as one of the richest repositories of antiques, Assam State Museum is hailed as one of the biggest multi-purpose museums in India. Situated in the scenic locales of Delgapur Khuri area, Assam State Museum was built in 1940 and boasts of being one of the oldest museums in northeast India. Number 5. Nehru Park. Located within the city, Nehru Park can offer you respite from the chaos of the city. There is an activity area for children, musical fountains and rows of vibrant flowers in the park, but its most striking feature are the sculptures depicting the famous dance forms of Northeast including Ojapali, Bihu and Bortal. The park also has an open-air theatre where local artists can perform and showcase their craft. Number 6. Guwahati Planetarium. One of the most famous tourist places to visit in Guwahati for lovers of astronomy, Guwahati Planetarium attracts numbers of visitors. If you love knowing more about the universe, Guwahati Planetarium is an enthusiastic retreat to dive into the celestial space. Along with enhancing your knowledge of solar system and universe, Guwahati Planetarium is known as a popular astronomical research center. Number 7. Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Located in the Mayong village in Marigaon district of Assam, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary is a delight for all nature lovers among tourist places in Guwahati, offering some memorable sights of the great Indian one-horned rhinoceros who dwell in a nice population here. Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary boasts of some great biodiversity. Number 8. Dipor Bill. A stunning freshwater lake in the city of Guwahati, Dipor Bill or Dipor Bill is a home to the huge variety of birds. Among the more notable bird species, the kingfisher, fishing eagle, whistling teal and pintail are some of the rare varieties that you will encounter here. This deep water lake gets its water from the rivers of Basista and Kalamini, and it is considered to be the largest lake in the Brahmaputra Valley. Number 9. Echo Land. A first of its kind in the northeast of India, Echo Land is a huge water amusement park in Guwahati. Set amidst the rolling green slopes and charming tea estates of Assam, Echo Land is just another spot of relaxed fun and amusement for northeast travelers. Made to look like a fairy tale red stone castle from the outside, the place gets you in the mood for a bout of sprightly activities right away. Number 10. Dreamland Amusement Park. Stressed out with the hassles of city life, sweat away all your tension at the nerve-calming Dreamland Amusement Park, Guwahati. The amusement park is a fun hotspot engulfed amidst the valleys of Guwahati, residing at Swadesh Nagar Path. In the list of entertaining spots of Guwahati, Dreamland adds a quintessential grace to it. From sliding through an enormous height to dancing your life away at rain dance, it is going to be really hard to sit idle in Dreamland Amusement Park. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.